Hi, I'm Adele McClay and welcome. Let me ask you a question. Do you set goals or resolutions perhaps at the beginning of the year or other goals throughout the year? And more importantly, do you achieve them? You see, lots of people set goals and then quite soon after completely forget about them. And I have to confess, I used to be like that too. And then I found SMART goals. And for quite a while I used the SMART goals system. What I found though is that I didn't really set bold goals or brave goals, bigger goals. I set goals that were really easy to achieve and quite within my reach. And I felt a bit dissatisfied with that. So I created the Brazen Goals system. And this is what's here as a free resource for you. So please feel free to download the information and take it away and use it at your leisure. So what are Brazen Goals? Well, brazen means B for bold and big, R for ranked for importance, A for accountable, everything has to be accountable, Z for zealous, they must be professionally and personally important to you, E for expedient, meaning planned and actioned, and N is nurturing, that the achievement and the activity towards the achievement of those goals is really important to you. And the great thing is, my Brazen Goals system can be used for business goals and personal goals. It might be that you have something really, really major that you want to achieve in your business, and you might want to achieve something in your personal life. I don't know, losing weight, planning for a holiday, whatever it is. You can use the system across any goal setting that you want to do. So please download the link, and it would be my pleasure to support you to set and to achieve the goals that you set and that are important for you in your world. I wish you the very best in setting and achieving all of those goals. Thank you.